Dr. Sudhakar Rao on the stage, Dr. Gaurangi on the stage, my colleagues on the stage, off the stage, and my would-be professional colleagues sitting so curiously over here to know what's going to happen the entire day. Very, very good morning to all of you. Madam mentioned one interesting point: academic obsolescence. Only material will become obsolescent. Academy will never be obsolete. However, academic progression is most important. If academy gets obsoleted, naturally you don't need to study the old subjects at all. However, without the foundation, no subject is incomplete. No subject can be complete. It has got to have the academic roots. The instruments may become obsolete. The building may become obsolete. Even people may also become obsolete. But academy will never go through the phase of obsolescence, because if teachers start teaching only from that level onwards without foundations, naturally what's going to happen is students are going to take up the easier path in life, such as electronics graduates love to get employed in software companies. That's an easier path. They love to choose an easier path. Such as engineering graduates trying to become managers later by doing MBA. It's an easier path. I always think engineer is a born manager. He has got to be a born manager. Engineer is a consolidation of all, whatever. He has got to be a scientist, he has got to be a technocrat, he has got to be a manager, he has got to be a designer, he has got to be an all-rounder. But leaving that, when we try for easier pastures in life, we will be cutting short for what we have been meant. Look at Dr. Gaurangi. Why she should be in antennas? Why she has got to stick on to her core competency? And when I was reviewing the departmental performance, I was finding that we all have jobs. We are all proud in mentioning our placement is 100%. Every one of us have got a job. What job has he got? Improper employment is not an employment. Underemployment is not an employment. Whatever the employment you shall have, it should be core connected. It has got to have a core competency. The engineering spirit, the electronics engineering spirit has got to get flowing into that. Today, after you listen to this workshop today, by the end of the evening, you could definitely make out what a great progress which has been happening, and your field of computing is because of the progress which has been happening in communication. Had there been no communication, there would not have been communication. The communication is the field which is really growing very, very strong. And naturally, all these communications have got to be there. And at least all those who have gathered over here should get inspired to stay back in their core areas and contribute to the core area. I really wonder, what are these so many engineers going to do? But ultimately, only people like young lady like Dr. Gaurangi makes me very proud that still people are there. Still people are very focused. Still people love to do what they really want to do. A brief talking with her. I just asked from where is your graduation? Then I came to know just now that she is my super junior in my institution. She is also from Vignan Institute of Technology. So one would become so proud when people would hear, and this is the same thing that should happen to me if I were to live, and a person who is sitting next to me in the aeroplane should one day tell, I am working for communication, I am working for VLSI, I am working for this, I am working for that, and he should be sitting next to me, and the punchline should be, I am from Vignan when you were Vice Chancellor of the university. So I don't want to take much time. There are experts, and these experts are certainly going to motivate. It is not just to listen, it is just to get inspired. You may not understand everything that they speak, but that you will definitely understand their commitment, their passion in the field, and that's what you have got to appreciate at the end of the day. Thank you very much.